Ever wondered how birds travel thousands of miles without a map? These feathered travelers use a mix of instinct and incredible sensory skills. Guided by the sun, stars, and even Earth's magnetic field, birds have an internal compass that makes navigation seem effortless. Imagine soaring through the sky, sensing direction with every flap. From lush forests to arid deserts, their journey is a tale of survival and adventure, proving that nature equips its creatures with astonishing tools. Did you find this fascinating? Share your thoughts below and follow for more amazing nature facts.